Hello grade 10 learners, we will now review some important skills and concepts needed in solving problems involving polynomials. Let me present to you my screen. We are now in the last part of quarter 1, solving problems on polynomials and polynomial equations. This is module 7, grade 10 mathematics. In solving problems involving polynomials, it is important to master addition of polynomials. Example, find the sum of 2x squared plus 6x plus 5 plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. In finding the sum of this given algebraic expression, we will place like terms together. So we have 2x squared and 3x squared are like terms. 6x minus 2x are also like terms. 5 and negative 1 are like terms. So it becomes 2 plus 3 x squared plus 6 minus 2 x plus 5 minus 1. 2 plus 3 equals 5, so we have 5x squared. 6 minus 2 is 4, so we have 4x. 5 minus 1 is 4, so we have 4. So the sum here of 2x squared plus 6x plus 5 plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 is 5x squared plus 4x plus 4. Subtraction of polynomials is also important in solving word problems involving polynomials. And remember this, to subtract polynomials, first reverse the sign of each term we are subtracting. In other words, we will reverse the sign of the subtrahend. We will turn positive into negative and negative into positive, then combine as usual. Example, find the difference of quantity 8m cubed minus 6 plus 3m raised to 4 minus quantity m raised to 4 minus 7m cubed minus 3. Step 1. We will reverse the sign of each term in the subtrahend. So instead of writing positive m raised to 4, we will reverse the sign. It becomes negative m raised to 4. Negative 7m cubed will become positive 7m cubed. And negative 3 becomes positive 3. Step 2, we will add. Copy 8m cubed minus 6 plus 3m raised to 4. And then instead of minus sign, we will use the plus sign. Copy negative m raised to 4 plus 7m cubed plus 3. And then place like terms together. In this given, 8m cubed plus and 7m cubed are like terms. So we can combine 8m cubed plus 7m cubed. 3m raised to 4 and negative m raised to 4 or negative 1m raised to 4 are also like terms. So we can combine 3 and negative 1. Negative 6 and positive 3 are also like terms. So it becomes 8 plus 7, which is 15, m cubed. 3 minus 1 equals 2, m raised to 4. And negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. The difference, therefore, is 15m cubed plus 2m raised to 4 minus 3. Your skill in multiplication of polynomials is also very important when you solve problems involving polynomials. In this example, we will multiply 3x minus 5 times quantity 2x squared minus 4x plus 7. Step 1, we will distribute each term of the first polynomial to every term of the second polynomial. And then remember that when you multiply two terms together, you must multiply the coefficients or the numbers and add the exponents. So in this example, we will multiply 3x to 2x squared, which will give us 3 times 2 is 6, x cubed, because 3x, x has exponent 1, x squared has exponent 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So again, 3 times 2 equals 6, x raised to 1 times x squared is x cubed. And then 3x multiplied with negative 4x will give us negative 12, because 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. X times x is x squared, so we have negative 12x squared. After that, we have 3x multiplied with 7. 3 times 7 is 21 times x, so 21x. We will go to negative 5. Negative 5 times 2x squared will give us negative 10x squared. Negative 5 times negative 4x is positive 20x. Negative 5 times positive 7 is negative 35. Step 2, combine like terms. Remember, when combining like terms, you may apply addition and subtraction of polynomials. 6x cubed has no other like term. We will just copy 6x cubed. And then, negative 12x squared and negative 10x squared are like terms, so we can combine negative 12x squared and negative 10x squared, which is negative 22x squared. 21x and 20x are also like terms, so we have 41x. Copy, negative 35. For division of polynomials, you may review our previous lesson on division of polynomials using synthetic division, remainder theorem, and long division method. You may also visit my YouTube channel, Evelyn Kailar. Another thing that you should remember in solving problems involving polynomials are the following formulas. Number 1, area of a rectangle. Example, if a rectangle has a length of 18 inches and the width of 3 inches, to determine the area of this rectangle, we will use the formula area equals length times width. So 3 times 18 equals 54. Inches times inches equals inches squared. So 54 square inches or 54 inches squared. You should also remember how to find the area of a square. So for example, in this figure, we have the sides of the square is 7 millimeters. To determine the area of this square, we will just multiply s times s or s squared, or 7 times 7 or 7 squared, which is 49 millimeter squared. Another is the perimeter of a square. To find the perimeter of the square with side 7, you just add 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or 7 times 4, or 4 times 7, which is 28 millimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the square with side 7 is 28, or 4 times 7, which is 28. For the perimeter of a rectangle, if the length is 18 and the width is 3, so our P, which stands for perimeter, is 2 times 18 plus 2 times 3. 2 times 18 is 36. 2 times 3 equals 6. 36 plus 6 is 42 inches. I think you're now ready to answer activity 2 of your math module 7. For number 1, the clue is you just substitute the number of months in a year to the variable t. So there are 12 months in a year, so therefore your t will be equal to 12. And then simplify. Do addition and multiplication. For number 2, you use division of polynomials. Happy learning! Stay safe, stay healthy, pray always.